Solving the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix by using the determinant. Please be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. An inverse of a matrix can be calculated if the following properties are satisfied. The determinant of the matrix is non-zero, and the matrix being evaluated is a square matrix. A square matrix is a matrix that has the same number of rows and columns. Given matrix A, the following formula can be used to quickly calculate the inverse, denoted by A, -1, of a 2 by 2 matrix. From this formula, we can see that AD minus BC is the formula that is used to calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Please watch the previous video on how to calculate the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix using this simple formula. Let's look at an example. We want to calculate the inverse matrix A and solve the linear system. So we have this linear system with two linear equations, and we have this matrix A. Step 1 is to determine the determinant of matrix A, and this can be done by using the simple formula AD minus BC. So the determinant of matrix A is AD, which is 1 times 4, minus BC, which is 3 times 2. So 4 minus 6 is equal to -2. This product here is assigned a positive value because this is a product of a downward sloping diagonal. And this product here is assigned a negative value because this is a product of an upward sloping diagonal. Now that we have the determinant of matrix A, we can calculate the inverse of matrix A by using this formula. Here we know that AD minus BC is -2, so therefore we have 1 over -2, and we need to use this formula here. We can see that coefficients A and D are swapped, so 1 is equal to A, therefore we have 1 in this position, and D is equal to 4, so we have a 4 over here. B and C are the exact same values, 2 and 3, except they have a negative. And this is the formula. And now we just multiply -1/2, and we get the inverse of matrix A. Step 3, we want to solve the linear system using the inverse matrix. If we compare an equation AX equals B, where A is the matrix, X is the XY matrix, the variables, and B is the coefficients. If we wanted to solve for X, we need to multiply matrix A by the inverse to isolate X and solve for the variables. And if we do if we multiply A inverse to one side, we need to do it to the other side. So that gives us X is equal to the inverse of A times B. X is equal to the inverse of A times B. We perform matrix multiplication, and we get a final answer that X is equal to -8 and Y is equal to 11 divided by 2. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.